The purpose for this LA trip for music industry studies students was really to immerse ourselves in the industry, to meet professionals and to learn from them, and also build relationships and connections for later down the road in our careers.
I really enjoyed going to NAMM. What stood out to me about NAMM was just the massive amount of innovation that everyone in the music industry is contributing to. It was pretty crazy to see all the new gear, and then the way that connected to the places that we would go out to see later in the next week. All those record labels and gear companies and manufacturers and publishers, they were all at NAMM, and then later in the week we were able to see all of them in their actual job.
People say I'm crazy for bringing students down to LA during the biggest week in music, because everyone's busy. I mean, there's constant meetings, there's constant Grammy parties happening throughout the week. But I always answer and say that's the reason I'm bringing students, is so they can see what it's like to be immersed in one of the biggest music industry hubs in the world during the biggest week of music, so they can really get a taste from everything from the LA traffic to all the events that are happening that are leading up to the Grammy Awards. So it gives them a really concentrated experience of what it's like to be in the midst of all these professionals and events during the biggest week of music.
As a Pacific student, it really makes the program to have hands-on experience out in the field as opposed to learning things through lecture. Getting to see that stuff really puts into perspective of what you want to do and what you're working towards. And if it wasn't for the donors or the Hatch Check Fund, we wouldn't be able to get to do those things.
Having an experiential learning opportunity is really everything. I didn't imagine that when I signed up for this trip it would be as impactful as it really was.